I'm Ava. Welcome to Korean Ladder, where Korean starts to feel usable.
안녕하세요. 저는 하나예요. 오늘도 짧고 자연스러운 한국어 같이 배워요.
안녕하세요. 준호입니다. 오늘은 친구 사이에서 정체와 위치를 묻는 질문 3가지를 연습합니다.
Here's my problem. I see something strange on my friend's desk, and I want to ask, what is that? But my brain wants a long textbook sentence.
친구 사이에서는 아주 짧게 말해도 자연스러워요. 이거 뭐야? means what is this in casual speech.
So, I don't need 이거는 무엇입니까? In a casual moment.
맞아요. 오늘 핵심은 뭐야? 누구야? 어디야? These are short casual questions for things, people, and places.
프레임을 잡아볼게요. Korean often lets context do the work. You choose the question word, then add ya with rising intonation.
뭐? Asks about a thing or situation. 누구? Asks about a person. 어디? Asks about a place.
먼저 물건이에요. 이건 뭐야 means what is this? Use it when the thing is near you or already in the conversation.
다음은 사람입니다. 저 사람 누구야? means who is that person? Casual but still clear.
그리고 장소예요. 여기 어디야 means where are we? Or literally, where is here?
Let me reason it out. 뭐 is for a thing. 누구 is for a person, and 어디 is for a place.
정확해요. One more thing. These are 반말. Use them with friends, younger family, or someone who has agreed to casual speech.
선생님이나 처음 만난 사람에게는 뭐야 can sound too blunt. Then use 뭐예요? 누구예요? 어디예요? instead.
Okay, show me the casual version in a real little scene.
친구가 낯선 물건을 봤어요. 이럴 때는 짧게 말합니다. 이거 뭐야?
친구 휴대폰에 모르는 이름이 떠요. 그때는 누구야? Who is it?
길을 걷다가 낯선 골목에 들어왔어요. 친구에게 여기 어디야? Where are we?
I hear a every time. Is just the casual question ending?
좋은 질문이에요. 야 is the casual form of is after a vowel sound, and the question comes from the rising tone.
누구? And 어디? Also end in a vowel sound. So they take 야, 누구야? 어디야?
If a noun has a final consonant, use 이야. For example, 학생이야 means are you a student casually?
So because 뭐, 누구, and 어디 end in vowel sounds, it says not. 이야.
맞습니다. Now let's use all three in one mini scene.
이거 뭐야?
선물이야.
누구야?
내 친구야.
여기 어디야?
홍대야.
Nice. The questions are tiny, but the situation tells me the missing details.
따라 해보세요. 이거 뭐야? Keep it light, like you are genuinely curious.
이거 뭐야?
좋아요. 너무 세게 따지듯 말하면 What is this supposed to be?처럼 들릴 수 있어요. 부드럽게 올려주세요.
이번에는 누구야? The flow is smooth, like one small chunk.
누구야?
좋습니다. 마지막은 어디야? This can mean where is it or where are we? Depending on context.
어디야?
완벽해요. For location, you can add 여기 or 거기 when needed. 여기 어디야? 거기 어디야?
Common mistake time. Can I say 이거는 뭐야? Because I learned the topic particle in or는.
말할 수는 있어요. 이거는 뭐야? Is possible, but in a quick casual question, 이거 뭐야? Sounds more natural and lighter.
N는 can add contrast, like okay, then what about this one? 이거는 뭐야?
So, if I'm just pointing at a weird snack,
이거 뭐야?
is the clean choice.
Another mistake is using 반말 with everyone. 뭐야? To a stranger can sound rude or confrontational.
At a shop or with someone older, say, 이거 뭐예요? That polite yo ending keeps it safe.
Quiz me.
I'm ready for a real choice, not just the vocabulary word.
정답은 B. 이거 뭐야? A is too formal for a friend and C asks about a person, not a thing.
하나 더요. You are lost with a close friend and want to ask, where are we? Choose the most natural, casual question.
I think A,
여기 어디야?
because I need a place word and we're close friends.
맞아요. 여기 누구야? mixes place and person. And 여기 뭐예요? is polite and asks what, not where.
정리해 볼게요. 핵심 하나, 뭐야는 물건이나 상황의 정체를 물어요. In English, 뭐야 asks, what is it? casually.
핵심 둘. 누구야는 사람을 물어요. In English, use 누구야 when the answer is a person, like my friend. or 민지.
핵심 셋, 어디야는 장소를 물어요. In English, 여기 어디야 can mean where are we in a real situation.
핵심 넷. 반말은 친한 사이에서만 써요. In English, use these with friends, not with strangers, teachers, or staff.
My keeper sentence is
이거 뭐야?
short, casual, and perfect when I'm asking a friend about a thing.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 이거 뭐야? 그리고 사람은 누구야? 장소는 어디야?
코리안 라더였습니다. 다음 런기에서 반말 질문을 하나 더 자연스럽게 쌓아보겠습니다.